Welcome. In today's tutorial, discover how to turn off auto download for documents on WhatsApp. This quick update ensures you have full control over what gets downloaded to your phone, keeping your storage free from unnecessary files and saving mobile data at the same time. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen where all your conversations appear. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots stacked vertically. Tap on those and from the menu that appears, choose Settings. This is where you can manage all your privacy, chat, and data preferences. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find Storage and Data. Tap on that option to open more details about how WhatsApp handles files, media, and documents on your device. Under the section called Media Auto Download, you'll see different options for when WhatsApp is allowed to automatically download files. Tap on when using mobile data and a checklist of media types will appear. Here, simply uncheck the box next to Documents. Then, press OK to confirm your choice. Now, go back and repeat the same step for when connected on Wi-Fi. This ensures that documents will not download automatically, no matter which type of connection you're using. Again, uncheck Documents and tap OK to save the change. From now on, WhatsApp will stop automatically downloading documents sent to you. Instead, you'll have the option to download each one manually if you actually need it. That's all it takes. A few quick steps and you've regained full control over what gets stored on your device. Turning off auto download for documents helps keep your phone organized, prevents unwanted files from piling up, and saves storage space for things that matter. Thanks for watching.